see the upper end of the vagus, we'll take this nerve, the hypoglossal, out of the picture for now. Here's the vagus. Its trunk is thickened by this ganglion, which is the lower of two. To follow the vagus in its course down the neck, we'll move the internal jugular vein aside. The vagus runs down the neck with the internal jugular vein behind it and the internal and common carotid arteries in front of it, all the way down to the superior thoracic aperture. The clavicles have been removed in this dissection. Here's where they were. Here's the first rib. The vagus continues down into the thorax. Its further course is shown in tape 3 of this atlas. The vagus nerve has important branches in the neck. We'll remove the common and internal carotid arteries to see them. High in the neck, the vagus gives off a pharyngeal branch or branches, and this large branch, the superior laryngeal nerve. Right down in the thorax, the vagus also gives off the important recurrent laryngeal nerve. We'll come to it in a minute. The pharyngeal branch or branches of the vagus enter the wall of the pharynx. They supply the superior and middle constrictor muscles and all the muscles of the palate except the tensor palati. The superior laryngeal nerve passes downwards and forwards towards the hypopharynx. We'll follow the superior laryngeal nerve in another dissection. The hyoid bone is here. The thyroid cartilage is here. The superior laryngeal nerve, here it is, divides into an external branch and an internal branch. The internal branch enters the wall of the hypopharynx by passing through the thyrohyoid membrane here. It provides sensation to the hypopharynx, the epiglottis, and the part of the larynx that lies above the vocal folds. The external branch gives motor supply to the cricothyroid muscle and the inferior constrictor muscle. Now we'll look at the recurrent laryngeal nerve.